Check out all my IOD, Iron Orchid Design goodies that I have in stock. This one is wildly popular. It is our Barnwood plank stamp. It has a 2-part stamp, amazing. Then we have the Crackalure. Get crackle on your finishes, whether it be boards or furniture. This is a chippy paint stamp. The beautiful birds, branches, and blossoms. Painterly roses, absolutely gorgeous. Rose toile. This is the floral swag with a couple of birds. And this is a brand new knob toppers. Yes, you can now stamp your own knobs. It's a beautiful collection of various different designs to go on top of your knobs, you guys. Amazing. And it works along with the Flexi Stamper so that you can just put this right over top of your wooden knob. Also have the cherub molds, perfect for Christmas time. I have a selection of inks. And this is called Kindest Regard. It's an actual letter script. And we have some brayers, which are perfect for applying ink or paint in a very thin layer on the stamps. And then last but not least, the beautiful decor transfers that are basically rub-on. So you can create beautiful pieces of furniture by adding wildflower, botanicals, the Redo. We have La Petite Rosier. We have these cute farm fresh signage. They're 3 different images. We also have this Stores in Harrison. It's a very long 12 by 60 design that you can put on wood. We have the infamous Sea Queen Tavern and Guest House. And we also have, if you are into bohemian, this beautiful bohemian border that can be put on the bottom of a dresser drawer. Endless ideas, guys, with all of these products. I am proud to say that I am an official Iron Orchid Design stockist, and you can find all of these available for purchase on my website, theweatheredshed.com. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.